As of my last knowledge update in 2023, there hasn't been any official announcement regarding a new Toyota MR2 for 2025. The MR2, a beloved mid-engine sports car, has a dedicated fanbase, and there have been rumors about a revival for years. If Toyota were to release a new MR2, it would likely focus on lightweight design, agility, and possibly hybrid or electric powertrains to align with current automotive trends. If you're looking for more specific information or updates, I recommend checking Toyota's official channels or automotive news sources for the latest announcements.